In this video, I will be showing you how to delete the professional email account in Godaddy, so keep watching. First, we need to log into Godaddy account with login username and password. And next, click the Products tab in the menu, which will bring us to the Products page. Here we need to scroll down to Email and Office section. Here, we need to click the Manage button to enter Professional Email Account Dashboard. In this page, we need to scroll down and click the Manage button under User section. We need to click this Delete Account option. Again, we need to confirm to the deleting the email account, as once deleted all the data, emails in the account will be gone forever. We can restore the mailbox content if we choose to, within the next 14 days from the date of professional email account deletion. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.